Sideways. So HD. Looks cool, the raindrops in the window. It's raining.
Hey guys, it's Msfili. Welcome back to the channel. We went thrifting with Daniel today.
Wasn't done.
We're dropping Daniel off at the entrance.
Queen service.
Queen King.
I'm not gonna melt, but guys, I don't want to be drenched. Okay, this is like, what is the word for this? Rain downpour. Okay. Okay, there you go. Oh my god, that's already drenching me. Oh my god. Why do you always do that?
Oh no, that was nothing.
You went there, right?
Yeah. Did something come out?
2 men's racks, and I got 1 shirt on it. I don't even know what it is. I gotta look it up.
Swollen. Oh, I love Swollen members.
What is it?
It's a band.
Oh, but still delete.
I'll delete it, yeah.
Oh.
That's so cool, actually. This is probably 2001, I'm gonna guess.
Newer. Well, mid 2000s, like 2010 era. But it's a cool shirt.
Okay. Yeah.
I found this bootleg, but I mean,
For $8, $2, yeah.
I don't know. I need to beat up. You somehow pop out of nowhere. Hang on, we gotta turn this off for a second. Because this is supposed to sit over here when it's like down here.
Mm-hmm.
So when it's over the record, you keep this up and then turn the volume down.
Secret to surviving.
It works.
Did you buy something?
I did. It's nice.
It is nice, actually.
Love his shop. It is super nice. He has really cool things. I want to show it to you.
I'm gonna guess. Oh, the front is really nice. I'm gonna guess the price. Yay, fun. Switched my bag up to the Swarovski Crystal Prada. That's what we switched it up to. Okay, so far today we've thrifted. Okay. One of the items is in the trunk, so it is a Crosley record player. We thrifted it for $22. I can probably sell that for $40 to $50. So that's one thing that I'll insert the clip here. Daniel was great to have around because he was testing it out. Everything was good. And then I thrifted a digital camera. It was broken. They wanted $35 for it. So I asked them to lower the price. They lowered it to $8, and then I used a $2 off coupon, so we paid like $6 for it. And then Daniel and I went to the camera repair shop, and I'm going to go have it repaired because it's a good color. It's a slim Canon, and I can sell that easily for $250 if it works properly, right? So if they charge me like $50 to repair it, I paid $6. I'm in it for $56. I'll sell it for $250. Hello. Money in my coochie. This Daniel got was really cute, guys. Are there like any slim guys around? This is so cute. Look at this. This wool cardigan. It is so well made, guys. Look at that. And it has like the back hit too. So if anybody's interested, Daniel, I think is probably selling that for $250, which is totally worth it. Those are super expensive. Anyway, yeah, I'm just waiting for him inside. I'm having a smoke break while he's inside. Yeah, that's all I really have to update with you guys with. Hey guys, it's Msfili. Welcome back to the channel. It's the day after from the last video. Today I went thrifting and then I kind of took a break and I went to the pool. I chilled in the pool, went on the floaty. It was a little moment, you know. But I did end up picking up a couple things yesterday from the thrift store that I didn't include in the video. Today I didn't find anything at the, oh no, I found one thing at the thrift store today, but we found a couple things. I'll show you. This is what we found today for $3. Mini DV. This is for camcorders. Very hard to find now. Don't really make it, and they're super expensive on Amazon. So we got 2 of those to include in a lot of a camcorder that we have. And then we picked up, well, Daniel passed this on to me. These are super expensive too because they don't make these anymore. It is a Memory Stick Pro Duo. These are what Sony uses back in the day for their digital cameras or PSPs, things of that sort. So a 4 gig one is pretty good. These are probably like $50, $60 on Amazon. So we paid $10 less the $2 off coupon. And then we picked up 2 little accessories. Oh no, we got this camera. We paid $8 and it will probably sell for $80 to $100, and it works. I tested it out and everything. Just a little HP 7 megapixel camera. A little chunky, a little heavy, but you know, sometimes a girl got to be chunky and heavy. And then these 2 accessories that we got for $3.29. This Coach patent leather op art wristlet. Very good condition. Love it. Super cute. $3. I mean, hello. And then this cute little op art card holder in this fabric for $2.50. So yeah, that's what we picked up yesterday. We didn't find anything today. And then tomorrow we're gonna go thrifting with Daniel again and see what the day brings us. So before we end the video, I want to, if you guys aren't familiar, you guys know I work with a company called Save Bullet. They have sent me amazing products. Come on guys, if you're dealing with luxury these days, I mean, price increases at Louis Vuitton again. Yesterday, August 6th, they did a price increase. Price increases again on Chanel recently. So like that, enough is enough. You got to, you know, cut corners where you have to. Anyway, they sent me this little goodie bag. It was wrapped perfectly, but I had to unwrap it because I was just way too excited. It is the LV Pochette Accessoire in Damier Azur. Guys, the quality of this is amazing. Okay, to preface this, I got one off DHgate. The DHgate one, okay, if you want to spend $60 and be clocked, that's all up to you. But I don't like to be clocked, personally, and with my bags, okay? So the one from DHgate was pretty good, even like the date code inside, but the big giveaway was the fonting on the Vachetta tab. Fonting was all wrong. So what I did in order to salvage it was I took olive oil and I kind of like coated all the leather pieces to age it and darken it so it wouldn't be as clockable. But this one, spot the F on. Look at that. Spot on. Louis Vuitton, made in France, correct fonting, correct sizing, correct everything. And then inside you have all this stuff. See, if you want to go, here's, if you want to check out their products, just go to msfili.com because I'm associated with them. So msfili.com, all of the products go up there. I've already reviewed the Prada bag, double zip luxe tote, the Keep All 50 bandolier, and is that it? And the Chanel sunglasses. So this is like their 4th item from them. It comes with the booklet with a little thing. And then with the, and look at the glazing on the straps, guys. This strap is not even comparable to the one from DHgate, guys. I'd rather spend $200 on this than $60 on that, okay? Look at that. You got the double strap. So you have this if you want to do the wristlet moment. Or if you want to do a crossbody moment, you have this strap. And the inside is like this kind of almost like very thick canvas. And then the date code's in here. Date code font, on point like a mofo. On point like a mofo. I love it. I don't have a damier azur piece, so I'm so excited to have this item. I will rock it like I cock it. Rock it like David Crockett. You guys are too young to know who that is. Ah, so cute, right? Hello. Anyway, yeah, so loving this bag. Loving the products from Save Bullet. I'll also give you guys this little QR code if you want to scan it with your phone. I don't know if it's translating on camera. There we go. Right there. Save Bullet. Love them. And their communication is amazing on WhatsApp and everything. So I've never had a problem with them ever in my life. So yeah. Just wanted to end the video there. I hope you guys are doing well. I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Take care and live your life. I'm a matches on the paper. I live my life. Oh, a quick story time too. My electric got cut off yesterday. I know, ghetto welfare case, right? I know I wasn't paying my bill. I know I'm so bad at that. I'm so bad at paying my electric bill. I did not have electric. Well, they cut it off at 12, but I didn't get home until like 5. So from 5 p.m. until like this morning when I left at like 9 a.m., no electric. Ghetto central. I had to like run an extension cord into my hallway just to charge my phone. Crazy, right? Yeah. Pay your electric bill, guys. Don't be a Msfili. I paid it all off though. I paid it. Paid the entire bill. So we're good.